The Vought F4U Corsair was one of the most distinctive fighters of World War II. Its long nose, powerful radial engine, and unmistakable inverted gull wing gave it an appearance unlike any other naval fighter of its time. The Corsair was designed around the massive Pratt & Whitney R2800 double Wasp engine and a very large propeller. To give that propeller enough ground clearance while keeping the landing gear short and strong, Vought created the aircraft's famous bent wing design. The result was a fast, rugged, heavily armed fighter that became one of the most successful American naval aircraft of the war. Early Corsairs were difficult to land on aircraft carriers because of their long nose and limited forward visibility during approach. For that reason, many of the first Corsairs entered combat with Marine Corps squadrons operating from land bases in the Pacific. As the aircraft improved and pilots developed better carrier landing techniques, the Corsair became an important Navy carrier fighter as well. During World War II, the Corsair served as both a fighter and a fighter bomber. Armed with 6 50 caliber machine guns, it could also carry bombs, rockets, and external fuel tanks. Its speed, range, rugged construction, and striking power made it effective in air-to-air combat, close air support, escort missions, strafing attacks, and strikes against Japanese positions throughout the Pacific. By the end of the war, Corsair pilots had achieved an impressive combat record against Japanese aircraft. The Corsair continued its combat career during the Korean War. By then, jet fighters had taken over the high-altitude air superiority role, but the Corsair proved exceptionally valuable as a close support aircraft. Navy and Marine pilots used it to attack troop positions, supply routes, artillery batteries, bridges, and other ground targets in support of United Nations forces. This 1/72 scale model represents an F4U-1D Corsair marked as White 157 of Fighting Squadron 84, known as the Wolfgang. The squadron served aboard the aircraft carrier USS Bunker Hill during the final major campaigns of the Pacific War in 1945. The bold white arrow on the tail, the large side number 157, and the overall gloss sea blue finish give this Corsair a dramatic late-war appearance. VF-84 operated from USS Bunker Hill during the campaigns supporting Iwo Jima, Okinawa, and strikes against Japan. This model is a tribute to the pilots, deck crews, mechanics, and carrier personnel who operated the Corsair under some of the most demanding conditions of World War II. The F4U Corsair remains a symbol of American naval aviation, powerful, distinctive, and battle-proven across 2 wars.